Good morning, everyone. No, I'm not all cute, okay? It's early and I just did a 30-minute walk, but I'm coming on live to tell everybody that tomorrow I am starting a 14-day challenge. I'm calling it the Scrubs Sanity Reset. It's going to be a 14-day challenge, starts tomorrow. And I'm really doing it for me, but I want to bring it to everyone and see who wants to join me. So, and it's a way of, if I bring it to everybody, it's also a way to help keep me accountable. So, but I need this reset. My mind needs a reset. My body needs a reset. I need to do better with my eating habits, my reading the word habits, my sleeping habits. I need to start anew all around. So that's what this reset is going to do. So if you want to join me, great. I'm going to go live for a little bit every day of the 14 days, let y'all know how I'm doing, where I'm at on the challenge, and check in with you guys, whoever is wanting to do it as well. See how you're doing on the challenge, on the reset. So, let me just tell you a little bit about what's going to be included, like what I'm going to be doing. So if you're also feeling overwhelmed, drained, stretched thin, you can say me. You can say me, Roseanne, and say me. Because, yeah, that's me. So many of us are functioning, high functioning, functioning through depression, functioning through stress, functioning through grief, functioning through life circumstances. But the point is to get to a point where you're not just functioning, but you're flourishing. Oh, let me turn on school and Discord. I need to turn on school and Discord. Hold on, before I go into the steps of the challenge. Let me turn these on so they can see. Hold on, guys, hold on. Okay, I got my Discord on and my school. Okay, so let me repeat what I was saying. I am starting, as of tomorrow, a 14-day challenge. It's called the Scrubs and Sanity 14-day challenge. And this is for the people who are feeling tired, the people who are feeling overwhelmed and are tired of just functioning and you want to flourish. So if you are anything like me, you wake up tired, you're going through the day on autopilot, you pour into everyone else, and at the end of the day, you hardly have anything left for yourself. So for me, I work a Monday through Friday job. Most of those days, 2 out of those days after work, I'm having to take my daughter to cheer practice. My oldest, has soccer practice, so I'm running back and forth from those practices, picking people up. My littlest, obviously he's not in any extracurriculars yet, but there's always something going on. There's a Zoom meeting that I have. I'm doing this I'm working on my life insurance stuff, so I have to do stuff with that. And there's just always something going on. So at the end of the day, like, I'm just depleted, and I'm not making time to get out and move my body every day. I'm not eating the best, and it's not just all the things that I have to do that's leaving me drained, because I'm not like making it a point to really take care of myself. That's another reason why I feel so drained. So that's what this reset is for. Plus, my birthday is coming up towards the end of the month. My birthday is on February 26th, and I want to go. I'll be turning 39. Yes, 39. I'm getting up there, and I want to go into my 39th birthday really feeling at my best. So that's what this reset is for. And the way that I go throughout my days in my life, you start thinking that just functioning through the day is normal. We start thinking this is just life, this is just adulthood, this is just responsibility, which it is, but at the same time, that's how you end up in burnout. You can become emotionally exhausted, mentally overloaded, and at spiritual depletion, because I'm not taking the time to read my word. Like I said that this year I was going to read the Bible in a year, and I am nowhere near like on track to complete that goal. Like, I wanted to do a Bible plan every day, and I'm not doing that. So that's going to be part of my reset as well. I've been overwhelmed. I've been tired, doing everything for everyone. And I realized if I don't pause and reset, then I'm going to break. So instead of waiting until I'm completely burned out, I'm doing this reset. And if anyone wants to join me, we can do it together. So again, it's called the Scrubs Sanity Reset. It's a 14-day reset for your mind, your body, and your spirit. And we're starting tomorrow, Monday. Okay? For 14 days, we are intentionally choosing ourselves. Not selfishly, not irresponsibly, but wisely. Because you cannot pour from an empty cup. So, what this challenge will include, this challenge is built on 5 pillars: mindset, sleep, movement, habits, spiritual and emotional health. Each day, we're going to focus on one area of your life. So, for example, some days we're working on our thoughts. Some days we're fixing our sleep. Some days we're building better routines. Some days we're healing emotionally. Some days we're reconnecting spiritually. This is not about perfection. This is about progress. So no one's expecting flawlessness. You're expected to be committed. And I'm saying that to myself because I can sometimes have a habit with sticking with what I say I'm going to do. Like if it's not about like work or about the business that I'm doing, I have a problem staying disciplined. I'll say, I'm going to do this fast, or I'm going to walk 30 minutes every day, and then I'll start those first couple of days and then I'll fall off. So it's about staying disciplined, staying committed. So, for example, day 1 is awareness. We're getting honest about where we are. I love Dr. Zeb Talley. If you don't listen to him, you can look him up, Dr. Zeb Talley. He is always talking about self-awareness, and he's come up with his own definition of self-awareness, and I always use it. So day 1 is awareness. Self-awareness is honesty about who you are, where you are, and what you're doing. If you're not self-aware, that's happy Sunday to you as well. Self-awareness is where everything starts. You got to get honest about who you are, where you are, and what you're doing. So day 1 is awareness. Day 2 is sleep. because they say you're supposed to have at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. I'm definitely not getting that. For sure not getting that. So we're fixing our rest. Day 3 is mental reset. We're dealing with negative self-talk. Day 6 is emotional release. Day 11 is boundaries. We're learning how to say no. No is a complete sentence. I need to get my kids on that. They don't understand that no is complete sentence. I always have to explain my no to them. And then like our last day, day 14, is celebration. We're celebrating where we are because growth deserves recognition. So this challenge is for you if you feel tired all the time. Yes, conscious life. I'm trying to live a conscious life, disciplined life. If you feel tired all the time, you feel overwhelmed, you feel mentally cluttered, you feel disconnected from yourself, you feel like life is running you. It does not matter what you do for work. It does not matter your schedule. It does not matter your background. I'm calling it the Scrubs Sanity Reset, but if you don't work in a setting where you're wearing scrubs, like, it's fine. You can still be part of the challenge. If you want peace, clarity, and balance, this is for you. So before we start, if you're already thinking, okay, I'm too busy, I don't have time, I'll start later, let me say this with love. If you don't make time to reset, you will be forced to rest later. Burnout will make the decision for you. This challenge takes minutes a day, not hours, but the impact lasts way longer. So, I don't have a set time every day that I'm going to come on live. I just know every day I'm going to come on live and check in with everybody. And then I'm going to end each live with this affirmation. And we're going to repeat this affirmation every single day until it sticks. So the affirmation is, I deserve rest. I deserve peace. I deserve balance. I release stress. I release guilt. I release overwhelm. My mind is clear. My body is strong. My spirit is grounded. I am becoming better every day. I am healing. I am growing. God is guiding me. God is covering me. God is strengthening me. And I choose myself. Amen. All right, guys. I hope y'all have a wonderful Sunday. Super Bowl Sunday. Don't get too lit, okay? You still got to go to work on Monday, okay? All right. I'll see y'all here tomorrow. Bye.